here we have, oh shit, dropped it.
Man, if you only had someone here to help you.
God, just dropped so much stuff on my head. What? He does not know his name.
That's your dog, right?
That is my dog. He's crying.
You don't have anybody held captive in your basement?
I don't, I swear.
Why do you laugh?
Hi, my beautiful boy. Oh my god. Grab it.
Oh my god. How did you get stuck?
Okay,
There's a tree in the house. I think we need the escalator for the roof. I don't think we can like...
We have escalators available?
A ladder.
Hi guys, Mimz here and welcome back. If you're new with us, thank you for joining. Hope you enjoy. So if you follow me on social media, you may know that I recently bought a house in Big Bear. So I'm now in the mountains right by the National Forest. So structurally this house is really good, but if you look pretty close, you'll see there's some needs for renovations. So my plan for my first house is to make it into a smart home. That includes security cameras. I'm going to put a generator, so if the power goes out, especially in the the winter time, gonna put some smart light switches, smart outlets, smart lights for the outside, so all of that. So this is part one of making this home a smart home, and it's gonna be security cameras. So I'm going to install two, one in the front, one in the back. It's gonna be powered by solar panels, so I'm going to look at where the sun is hit the most and put it there. So that's what today's video is gonna be. I hope you enjoy it. So here we have, oh shit, dropped it, two solar panels, and then in here we have two Reolink cameras. So let me open these guys up. I'm trying to be really careful.
That was a good job, actually.
That wasn't bad, right?
No.
That was gonna be worse. If you've seen my other videos, you've seen this before. Maybe a different version, but same thing. There we go. Two solar panels. Alright, what's in here? Okay, two cameras. These are also the same style cameras that we used for the other videos, so that's always nice.
Do you have a ladder?
A ladder?
Yeah.
No. I have a step stool that's really small. What is cool about, well, I don't know about down here, but what's cool about the front is that
Railing?
The balcony, if you're tall enough, you can just kind of jump and then you get onto the roof. This is gonna be a little harder. Probably should have thought of that before.
Camera has been started up.
I was just about
Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
I was just about to say, like, shouldn't it be saying something? And then she interrupted me.
Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
Cool. Alright. Oh, you know what I should have done? Should have, like... Where's my phone at? I should have,
Please run
installed it.
Reolink app.
I'm going to set up the first camera and I'm going to take off the tape because that's what I forgot to do last time and it wouldn't read for a minute. Remember?
I remember that.
Okay, here we go. Plus. While using this app. Scan QR code.
Please run
QR
Reolink
code's in the
app,
back.
add the camera, and set it up.
That was fast. Oh, and I gotta remember my Wi-Fi password real quick. It is.
Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
This is where I always, like, have a problem. 3. Camera. I'll be right back. Oh, got it. Bitch. Okay. Did you hear that?
The router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
I don't know.
Reolink.
Okay. Sweet. Create a password. My device password. Hopefully
Please run Reolink app.
this next
Add
one's
the camera
easier.
and set it up.
I'll name this front yard. Let's see it. It's working. Alright, there's one. Alright, let me add the other one.
Scan succeeded.
Name this is gonna be the backyard. Cool.
Alright, what we got here?
So, I found a ladder. This is the people that owned the house previously. But it's really tall.
Man, if you only had someone here to help you.
God, just dropped so much stuff on my head. Don't get hit. Okay. Shit. It looks like it works. You'll be the one on top of that.
Oh, what?
So, check this out. Let's go back here real quick.
Wait, I'm gonna be on that?
Yeah. I'm not gonna do it. This is the backyard. And we're gonna put it, like, up there somewhere. Right above that one, but, like, in the center. What do you think?
Right above the window, but in the center.
Yeah.
Will that ladder even reach there?
I don't know. Here, I'll grab it. I'll try to put it up.
Yeah.
Here, watch out, bud. Oh my god. Gravity.
Oh my god. How did you get stuck between a tree and a house?
Alright, wait. I'm going this way. Watch
Wait.
out. Okay, I don't trust that at all. It won't be all the way up there. How about right above the white trim, maybe? Like right in the center?
Like I think right above these two vents right here.
I think that's good, yeah?
Yeah, that would work.
Okay, cool. So, you can do whatever you want with that ladder. I'll grab the camera. I just thought of something.
What?
Solar panels. Usually, for other installations, we'll put solar panel on the roof. But here,
We don't really have.
it's not gonna work. So
A
we
ladder
can
for that.
patch the solar panel like above the camera up there. Point it this way so that like the sun hits it.
See, the cable will reach.
It's not gonna be big enough. There's no fucking way.
Well, that's what she said.
Come here though. I have a great idea. Okay. Sun. We see the sun hitting. So I'm gonna patch this up there, and the camera is gonna be right on the corner, but it's gonna be facing that way. Yes, towards my backyard.
But we can also take advantage of the cable
Yeah,
and try to like put it as close to the center as possible to get everything.
yeah, that works.
So first thing we have to do is mount the panel on the side of the wall first,
Yeah,
and then we'll
perhaps
figure it from there.
like closer to the panel so that I can run this line alongside the panel.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Oh no, that's what I was thinking too. And then right there will be the camera, like right underneath that window probably. Okay.
Hold on. Turn that way again. Look that way. Yeah.
What? I know. That's what curly hair does. It's from the ladder. Okay, a lot of shit fell on my head when I picked it up that first time. And that second time. Hopefully there's not a spider on me.
Too much sun on you.
These, like, pants are not cute.
I don't think we're really going for like cute in this video.
They're just, but they're like, they're hideous though. Like, they're not cute.
But why are we wearing them again?
It's cold as fuck. I swear. I mean, maybe not at this moment, but earlier it was really cold. This is the front yard. So my plan is to attach the camera right above this circled window and then put the solar panel on the roof right above the window. I think the sun hits right here a lot. Like it's hitting right now and it was hitting earlier, so yeah, I think that's like the best place for it.
There's a good angle of sun hitting it anyway, so I think right on top of the roof you'll definitely get it.
And the roof is angled too, so it helps get more sun. So
what about on the other side? Do you think I can climb up there from the balcony?
I have a step stool. We can take the step stool up there, and then I think both of us can like jump and get on the roof.
I think we need the escalator for the roof. I don't think we can like.
We have escalators available?
A ladder. I think we can use the ladder.
That ladder is way too fucking big. Like, seriously. Wanted to show you really quick. These are the cameras I was using as like a placeholder to look at my house while I'm gone. So these are actually indoor, Yi cameras, and I use these at my apartment. But since I didn't have these outdoor Reolinks yet, I was using those. When it gets to a certain darkness, all you see is like black and like the shadow of this window, so it doesn't really do its job after hours. So that's why we're putting up these awesome outdoor ones.
Where do you want this, like up here or up here or like right here, Mima? Like, where do you want it?
Go to the last part you just had. Oh shit. No, the middle, like down by the panel, but like up a little bit, right there.
You want it right here?
I do. We're gonna run that cable this way and put the camera like underneath that window right there. So what we decided is we're going to put the camera right here, right in the center, and then we're going to string the wire and put the solar panel like right attached to that panel, looking up, and the sun is over there right now. It's not just because we're both short and can't reach. It's definitely not why. Alright guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of making my home a smart home. I'm doing some research on like light switches and lights and outlets, so that'll be some other parts. But have a great week, and I'll see you soon.